Hi children, today we will do exercise 8.2 question number 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Now move to the first question. In a city 30% are females, 40% are males and remaining are children. What percent are children? We have to find the percent of children. This means that what does it mean children? Suppose if the total population is 100. If the total population of a city is 100, we can say if the total population of a city is 100, we can say 30 females and 40 males are there and remaining will be children. So, how will we find the percentage of children here? How will we find 100 minus 30 plus 40? 30% females and 40% males, is it? So, we have to find the percentage of children, that means 100 minus 70, that means 30. So, 30% are children. I hope this meaning of this question is clear. Suppose if the total population of city is 100, we can say 30 are females and 40 are males. Like the same concept. If the how will we 30% are females here, 40% are males here. So, how will we find the percent of children? Just subtract it from 100, you will get the answer 30%. I hope it's clear now. If this is a confusion, you can do like this way also, 100 minus 30 minus 40. What is the answer you will get? 100 minus 30 is 70, 70 minus 40, 30% you will get. Okay. So, what is the percent of children here? 30%. I hope it's clear now. Now move to the next question. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. So, percent of voters who voted is 60%. We have to find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Percentage of voters who did not vote. Who did not vote. So, 60% is voted. So, how will we find the percentage of voters who did not vote? Obviously, 100 minus 60. What is the answer? 40%. So, 40% voters did not vote. Now, what we have to find out here, can you find how many actually did not vote? That means we have to find the number of voters who did not vote out of this 15,000 voters. That means 40% of total did not vote. 40% of total did not vote. What is the total given here? 15,000 voters. So, how will we find the number of voters who did not vote is equal to number of voters who did not vote is equal to 40% of the total. What is the total here? 14% of 15,000. 14% of 15,000. Here the total is 15,000. So, 14% of the total did not vote. That means 40% means what? 40 by 100. Of means what? Multiplication 15,000. Again, just cancel the zeros. 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. So, 40 into 150. What is the answer? 40 into 150 is 60. That means 6,000. So, 6,000 out of 15,000, 6,000 voters did not vote. So, how many voters who did not vote? 6,000. What is the meaning? Out of 15,000, 6,000 voters did not vote. 6,000 voters did not vote. I hope the meaning of this question is clear. What is given there in the question, children? Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, that is the total number of voters. That is the total number of voters is 15,000. Out of 15,000 voters, 60% voted. We know the percentage of the voters who voted. So first we will find the percentage of voters who did not vote. That means 100 minus 60. What is the answer? 100 minus 60 is 100 minus 60%. What is the answer? 40% you get. That means 40% of total did not vote. That means 40% of 15,000 did not vote. That means how will we find 40% of 15,000? Just multiply it and divide it, you will get the answer 6,000. What does it mean, children? Out of 15,000, 6,000 voters did not vote. I hope this answer is clear now. Now move to the next question. Smita saves rupees 400 from her salary. We don't know what is her salary, but she is saving rupees 400 every month. If this is 10% of her salary, we don't know what is her salary, so we took Meeta's salary as X. And 10%, it is saying in the question that 10% of her salary is rupees 400. That means 10% of her salary. We took Meeta's salary as X, so 10% of X is rupees 400. We have to find what is her salary. How will we find, children? 10% means what? 10 by 100 into X is equal to 400. Use your transposing method. X is equal to 400 into 100 by 10. So cancel the zeros. What you will get? X is equal to 4,000. What does it mean? So what is her salary? Her salary is rupees 4,000. So 10% of 4,000 is rupees 400. 10% of her salary. That means 10% of her salary. Her salary is 4,000. 10% of rupees 4,000. 10% of rupees 4,000 is rupees 400. I hope this answer is clear. We have to find the Meeta's salary. We don't know what is salary, so we took it as X, and it is given that 10% of X is rupees 400. So we can write it as 10% of X is equal to rupees 400 and just represent it as fraction and use the transposing method. You will get the answer 4,000. What does it mean, children? 10% of rupees 4,000 is rupees 400. I hope this answer is clear. Now do the remaining question. Next question you do it as homework. That's all for today. Thank you.